How to add Citibank card to your Apple Wallet? Adding your Citibank card to Apple Wallet is a straightforward process. Go to the Wallet app on your iPhone. If you don't have it, you can download it from App Store. Open the Wallet app and look for a button that is used to add cards. Select Credit or Debit Card. You can manually enter the Citibank card details, including card number, expiration rate, and security code. Follow the on-screen instructions. Read and accept any terms and conditions presented during the card addition process. Once you have entered all the necessary information, your Citibank card will be added to Apple Wallet. It may take a moment to verify your card. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.